Look, most people have no clue they're leaving thousands of dollars on the table each year. But not you. Because today I'm giving you the ultimate cheat code to unlocking credit card rewards like a pro in 2025. The big banks don't want you to know these tricks. But I'm going to teach you how to earn insane cashback, free flights, even upgrades and luxury perks that make you feel like a baller. Think of credit card rewards like a thrilling video game. Most players stay stuck on level 1, swiping their basic card and racking up a measly 1% cashback. But the pros? They've unlocked secret levels with insane multipliers, freebies, and perks. And by the end of this video, you'll be a level 100 player, while your average Joe friends are still struggling to pass the tutorial. So before we kick off, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because every week I'm dropping fresh money hacks that put thousands of dollars back in your pocket. Trust me, you won't find this info anywhere else. Now, rewards are like currencies, points, miles, cashback. The banks design their cards like theme parks. You gotta pay an entry fee. But once inside, the rides can be free if you know where to go. Okay, here. That's the insider scoop on the credit card rewards ecosystem, so you can play the game like a boss. First up, we got the mighty multipliers. Each card has a multiplier like a 5x, 3x, or 1x. This tells you how many points you'll earn on every dollar you spend. For example, if you charge $1,000 on a card with a 3x multiplier, you'd earn 3,000 points. It's like a secret decoder ring that lets you multiply your points. Then we got the welcome bonuses. Some cards offer a bonus when you sign up. For instance, spend $2,000 in the first 3 months and get 60,000 points. These bonuses are like the treasure chests in the game. You gotta hunt them down and dig for gold. Finally, there's redemption. So here's where you cash in your points for sweet rewards like free flights, gift cards, or statement credits. Basically, it's the reward store where you buy your goodies with those hard-earned points. Now, before we dive deep into the best cards for 2025, let's level up your credit game. There are 3 main types of credit cards, and each one has its own special power. Number 1, the cashback credit cards. These are great for everyday spending like groceries or gas. Number 2, travel credit cards. These can score you free flights in hotels and even airport lounge access. And number 3, points and flexible rewards. And these cards allow you to transfer your points to different programs for insane value. Think of it like a currency converter that lets you multiply your money. All right, here's the inside scoop on the top 3 categories so you can pick the perfect card for your strategy. Number 1, cashback credit cards. These are the workhorses of the rewards game. They're designed for everyday spending like groceries, gas, or online shopping. The best part, you earn cash back instantly, which you can redeem for statement credits or deposit into your bank account. It's like finding coins in your old jeans, except way more exciting. Number 2, travel credit cards. These are the VIP passes to the rewards universe. Imagine free flights, fancy hotel rooms, and exclusive airport perks. With these cards, you're not just a passenger, you're the freaking captain of the plane. And number 3, points and flexible rewards. These cards let you collect points that you can transfer to different programs. For example, you can move your points from American Express to airlines like Delta or United. Or you can stash them in hotel programs like Marriott Bonvoy or Hilton Honors. The beauty of flexibility is that you're not tied to one airline or hotel. You can hop around and snag the best deals wherever they pop up. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your wallet. Now here's the insider secret that banks don't want you to know. You can actually stack these categories. It's like combining water and fire to create a super-powered steam. Let me break it down for you. Say you've got a card with a 3x multiplier on dining. That means for every dollar you spend eating out, you'll earn 3 points. But what if you could double or even triple those points and are stacking? Here's how it works. Let's say you're going to a restaurant and you see they accept American Express. You can use your Amex card with a 3x multiplier on dining and boost those points even further. Some cards also offer elevated status with hotel chains or airline lounges. For example, the Platinum card from American Express gets you into over 1,400 airport lounges worldwide. Talk about a fancy perk. Welcome bonuses are like finding a hidden treasure chest in your mailbox. Here's the deal. When you sign up for a new card, the bank will often give you a generous bonus. If you meet a minimum spend within the first few months, it's like a reward for being a loyal customer. But here's the catch. To claim your bonus, you usually have to spend a certain amount of money on the card within the first few months. For example, the Capital One venture X card offers a sign-up bonus of 200,000 miles when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. But don't worry, I'm not trying to trick you. This is legit and completely doable. In fact, I've personally claimed numerous sign-up bonuses myself. But it's important to note that not all cards are created equal. Some might require you to spend a lot of money up front to unlock the bonus, while others may have lower requirements. And then we got transfer partners. Think of it like forming an alliance with other airlines. Like if you're flying United, you might have the option to book your flight using miles from other airlines. It's like having superpowers that let you travel the world without breaking the bank. But here's the twist. Not all transfer partners are the same. Some might offer better value than others. For example, transferring Chase Ultimate Rewards points to Hyatt can be a game changer, especially for those last-minute bookings. You can turn your points into free nights at fancy hotels and resorts. But wait, there's more. This also applies to credit cards. You can actually transfer points from one card to another. For instance, you can move American Express membership rewards points to Delta Sky Miles or Air France Flying Blue. Talk about flexibility. But hold up, I wouldn't be a good coach if I didn't warn you about the potential pitfalls. Watch out for these red flags. Carrying a balance? Nope, nope, nope. Don't even think about it. Paying interest is like a hungry Pac-Man that eats up your rewards, so never charge more than you can afford to pay off in full. Trust me, it's not worth it. Next up, we got annual fees. These are like membership dues that you have to pay every year to keep the card active. For example, some premium travel cards have an annual fee of $550. But here's the thing, it's only worth it if the perks, like airport lounges and travel credits, outweigh the cost. Otherwise, ditch the card and find a cheaper alternative. And finally, don't go overboard trying to earn points. Spending just for the sake of collecting points is a slippery slope. Ask yourself, is it really worth maxing out your credit to buy that extra pair of shoes? Probably not. Alright, let's put all this knowledge to work with my pro strategy blueprint. Step 1. Start with a no annual fee cashback card. This will be your trusty sidekick that helps you rack up points and build your credit. The best part, you won't have to pay any annual fees or worry about missing out on any rewards. It's like a training ground for your credit journey. Some popular options include the Discover It, Cashback Citi, and the Double Cash card from American Express. Add a premium travel card to the mix. Once you've got good credit, it's time to level up with a premium travel card. These bad boys offer insane perks like airport lounge access, free checked bags, and even priority boarding. Just make sure you choose a card that aligns with your spending habits. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a solid choice for those who love to travel. But here's the real secret sauce. Master the transfer partners. Now that you've got a solid foundation, it's time to unleash the true power of credit card rewards. Learn how to transfer points between different programs and watch your rewards skyrocket. It's like discovering a hidden superpower that can take your travels to the next level. And hey, if you're feeling like a true pro, consider signing up for Award Wallet or MaxWords. These apps will help you track your points and make the most of your rewards. It's like having a personal assistant that keeps your travel game on point. So there you have it, my friends. You're now officially a credit card whisperer, ready to unlock a world of epic rewards. Free flights, fancy hotels, cashback galore. It's all within your reach. Remember, the journey is just beginning. So go forth, conquer the credit card game, and make those points work for you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you got any value from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.